From the time of ancient civilization to the modern era, gold has become the currency of choice in the world. Gold is a lucrative way to invest when currently fall or uncertain. The price of gold can go up and down, but its value in various parts of the world remain the same. Fear of inflation and recession cause gold to have highest level, while several events cause gold to trade higher after that. How to invest in gold? Actually, quite easy because now there are many options for storing. But the safe and easy way to invest in gold for beginners. 1. How to invest in gold by saving. Gold saving is a product is a guidance for easy gold invest. The method of investing in gold at person in similar to saving in bank. Gold saving guardian is a gold billing deposit service that makes it easier for people to invest in gold. 2. How to invest in gold with MyGold. MyGold is another guardian gold invest product that also need to be considered. MyGold service is a way of investing in gold in pawn shop for beginners that provides easy investment with a internal system will getting live into protection. 3. How to invest in gold with gold consignment. Gold consignment is a service for selling gold bullion at Pengadian. How to invest gold in a pawn shop for beginners will be safer because it is stored in pawn shop. Profit from the sale of gold barrel are given to consumer. This makes the gold the one more productive. 4. How to invest in gold by buying cash. The next way to invest in gold at Pengadian is to buy gold directly. You can buy gold bullion in cash through the pawn shop Mulia Emas Program. Mulia is of investing in gold in pawn shop for beginners by selling gold back to the public in care or investment with an easy process and flexible time frame. 5. How to invest in gold installment. In addition to buying cash, another way to invest in gold at Pengadian is to buy it in time. The internal period can extend from the month to 66 months. Previously, you had to pay a down payment in the amount of between the 90% of value of gold.